Right, we've got a new unit, haven't we? We've got a new unit, haven't we? How do you turn it on? You can't turn it on. There you go. Subaru, eh? 530, eh? A load of random shit in the corner, eh? Ibrahim installs himself. Don't do fraud, you won't have to change your name.
Don't throw me to the jail. Alright, come on, let's go.
Alright, best.
No, you.
What?
It's really low. It's not starting in the bathroom.
Start in the bathroom. Alright.
The light actually works, is that right?
I don't know, I got money to collect. They can chat shit, I don't care about me. Pass me the keys, don't care about me. Shut up and all, what is that smell? That's a too strong bush, can't you tell? I've got a right back up every time I bell. Never had a penny, but now I live well. I'm in a nigger and it ain't no Porsche. Born in Yorkshire, in the border. Don't do tax, I don't insure her. Props catch me in a whip with your daughter. Don't give me let me warn you, bloody Nora. Did you see how I took that corner? Best believe I'm not no star. On order.
Right guys, welcome back to our channel. So we've got a bit of a different video for you today. We are at our new location, the new headquarters. We're taking a big step in the business now. We're leveling up. It's been a long time coming. It's an old bread factory, or well, a bakery. It's been converted into units, so we can now work indoor. There's room for about, you can comfortably fit about 10 cars in here, but we're gonna limit it to what we put in here for now. We've already moved a few in, so we've got this Subaru project. Here's the new business partner, who's camera shy. No, don't hide now, come on.
Oh, hello.
Go on.
How are you?
Introduce yourself, lad.
Subaru, eh?
So this is his project. This is his project. It's a Subaru Impreza UK 2000. No. We'll cut this part out.
Wasn't me.
Yeah, but this is his project. It's fully been rebuilt. Engine rebuild, gearbox rebuild, full bodywork has been welded up. We've stripped it for parts now and we're going to give it into next door. So that's another benefit of this place, is the body shop next door. So that's going to get resprayed. We've got the 5 Series over there. You've seen that needs more than a body shop. That we were going to cut pan roof into it, but everyone who can do it in Bradford has said no. So at this rate, we're going to have to get...
I'm a mechanic myself. I'll do it. I'll get a fucking jigsaw.
No. At this rate, we're going to be going to the range and getting a flipping garden saw and cutting our own pan roof into it. But yeah, this is our new space. There's plenty of room, so we've got our parts and stuff in here. Obviously, we'll start sticking them online, selling them. The projects are here. But mainly what we've got this for is we're thinking of doing car sales eventually.
How does the steering wheel feel? Yeah?
It's a bit shaky.
Yeah, bit shaky.
Yeah.
Do you know what that is?
What?
Feedback. £2,000. Buy it. Buy it now. Okay?
Well, how much do they normally go for?
£5,000. £5,000.
No,
I've given you
Alex,
finance package options.
I'll ask you one more time.
Yeah.
How much are you going to sell this to me for?
50 quid. Please, just take it. Got yourself a cracking deal.
Thank you.
Really good deal. Almost too good.
yeah. No, it's too good to be
Speaking
true,
of
really.
which, yeah. Just spoken to my manager.
Yeah.
Not happy. Just got to ask for a little bit more money. Got a finance plan here. Wrote it out just now. Okay. 2 times 6. It's 12. You're a tricky customer. I like you. You know? Bit of banter. Pitter patter. All right, let's cut to the chase. What's it going to take for me to sell you that car? You're not going to pay me £5,000, and I respect that, okay? Yeah. I would not pay £5,000 for that car. Okay. £2,000.
300.
500.
400.
700. £1,000. Final offer.
900.
1,200. Got a deal at 1,000? I'm going back down. You got it for 400 quid. Pleasure doing business with you. Now you go and enjoy that. Boss? Nailed it.
And obviously the YouTube projects. What else? Oh, We'll show you the office first.
Show them everything that's important.
So obviously, as you can tell from here anyway, it needs a lot of work doing. The roof's falling down. There's holes in the wall. The floor needs a good clean. And this will be the customer waiting room. So obviously we're going to still do our custom work, so the steering wheels, etc. And we're going to add a load of other things onto it. We've already started on here. We've knocked out the wardrobe thing, whatever it was. But this will be the waiting room. And this beautiful place is our office. And his favourite place.
Rotary, eh? No,
Wow. This is for him, this is his office. He's going to be working in there.
it's literally just a store.
We've got a lock on there. So when he's
You're
been,
gonna lock me in there.
when he's been annoying, we'll lock him in there. Keep him quiet for a bit. But yeah, we've got a good space to work in. What shall I say? What is it? We've got a good
One eternity later.
We've got a good foundation.
we've got a good foundation.
We've got a really good foundation to build on. Hopefully, by the time we're done with this place, it would be a completely unrecognisable.
It better be. I'm holding you to your words there. Yeah, but we've got a storeroom up there as well.
Yeah, by then
I mean,
will be.
There's no way we're gonna get up there, but especially this guy is about 5'3".
How tall are you?
Me? About 6'9".
he ain't reaching up there, but yeah, we've got a storeroom up there. We'll probably put, I don't know, we'll leave it empty for now. But yeah, we're blessed. Many people don't get these sort of places and units and stuff until later on in their YouTube career or their work life because of the costs, but we're getting somewhere slowly. It makes sense to get it now because we're at that level where we're running out of space. We're sick of laying down on cold tarmac on the side of the road. Yeah, pissing off our neighbours. We've had enough of that, so we're going to get in here and we're going to just crack on. We'll show you from the outside what it looks like now. So yeah, this is the ramp that we've laid out in here before, because these were loading bays for the bakery. But yeah, we've got a nice ramp in here. We'll be able to get our cars in here. That's separate, that's an office. And this is the boys. I won't go in yet because the boss is not here. But they've got spray booths in there. They've got everything in there, their own office. And then these two are empty at the minute. As I said, work's ongoing. Should be all up and running soon. But yeah, just a quick video, just give you an update of what we're doing.
I'm stood on the wall now, 5'8".
He stood on a wall and he's still only 5'8". But yeah, you'll be seeing this more and more in the videos. Unfortunately. And you'll be seeing a lot more content, I hope.
Yeah, if he's married, so I'm here for the girl appeal.
Mr. Loverman, Shabba. Mr. Loverman.
But yeah guys, it was a quick video. I'm wrapping it up. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. And yeah, take guys.
What the hell is even that?
Take guys. Thank you.
Okay, take care. He's a little bit nervous. Not that he's been doing it for the last 2 years and he's had many people on the channel. You can talk now, you know, it's your video, talk.
Yeah, as you can see, I don't even know what I'm on about now. What was I saying? Yeah, the outro. I'll see you later guys. Take care. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.